Here's how to make stretch text effect in Photoshop. This is my background layer. Then I'm selecting the text tool, and here you can change your text font, you can change your alignment and your text font color. Now go ahead and write here your text. Select the selection tool and increase your text size just like this. Now all you have to need, right click on the text layer and just click on convert to shape, and then go to tool section and you have to select this direct selection tool. Then you have to select your bottom text just like this. Once you select it, hold down the shift key and press the down arrow key to make stretch effect just like this. And here we can see result, before and after result. Thanks for watching.